In this video, we will dive into how ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, works specifically for English. Pre-training. ChatGPT goes through a pre-training phase where it learns from a massive amount of text data from the internet. During this phase, the model learns grammar, vocabulary, facts about the world, reasoning abilities, and some degree of common sense knowledge. This pre-training phase is unsupervised, meaning the model learns from text without specific tasks or objectives. Architecture. ChatGPT uses a transformer architecture. Transformers are neural networks designed for natural language processing tasks, known for their ability to capture long-range dependencies in text. The transformer architecture consists of multiple layers of attention and feed-forward neural networks. Fine-tuning. After pre-training, ChatGPT undergoes fine-tuning. This is a crucial step where the model is trained on a specific dataset with supervision. Fine-tuning helps the model adapt to particular tasks and behaviors. It can be fine-tuned for various applications, such as chatbots, question-answering systems, language translation, and more. Prompt-based generation. When you interact with ChatGPT, you provide it with a prompt or a series of messages. The model uses this input to generate a response. It can generate text either auto-regressively, one word at a time, or in a more parallel manner, depending on the implementation and use case. Probability distributions. ChatGPT generates text by predicting the probability distribution over the next word or token in the sequence based on the input prompt and the context it has learned during pre-training and fine-tuning. It then samples from this distribution to generate the next word. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT maintains a contextual understanding of the conversation history. It remembers the previous messages in the conversation and uses them to provide coherent responses. This helps it generate contextually relevant answers. Scoring and ranking. To generate responses, ChatGPT often generates multiple candidate responses and then scores and ranks them based on various factors, such as language fluency, relevance to the input, and coherence with the conversation history. The highest ranked response is typically presented to the user. Safety and moderation. OpenAI incorporates safety measures to reduce the likelihood of the model generating harmful, biased, or inappropriate content. These safety mechanisms include reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, and guidelines for prompt design to encourage safe and useful interactions. Deployment. ChatGPT can be deployed as an API or integrated into various applications and services, making it accessible to developers and organizations for a wide range of use cases. In summary, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that leverages pre-training on vast amounts of text data, fine-tuning for specific tasks, and advanced neural network architecture to generate human-like text responses based on user prompts or messages. It aims to provide natural and contextually relevant interactions in a variety of applications.